Hello to everyone and welcome to Siri Advice YouTube channel. You're watching Promax Gold EA Weekly Results series. Promax has 3 proven presets and we're gonna check up on 2 of them on our Myfxbook and our VPS to observe Promax results for the past week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for watching Promax Weekly Results. Let's start. This is our Myfxbook account of Promax Gold EA preset number 1 on a $1,000 real and verified account. 9.28% is the total profit of this preset since we have run this EA on this account. The monthly gain is 6.40% and the drawdown is 4.59%. In trading section says for the past week we had 0.24% profit, which is $2.61. This preset has lower risk management, which is the reason of lower risky activities. The profitability says this preset has 80% win rate. Scrolling down, monthly analytics also have every month results. For last month, we had 8.51%, and so far for June, we had 0.71% profit. Okay, so this is our VPS of Promax Gold EA preset number 1. Here we see account details and robust settings like name of account holder, leverage, stop loss, etc. As I mentioned before, we don't have much trades on this preset, so the total profit is $4.91 for the past week. Alright, this is our Myfxbook of Promax Gold EA preset number 2 on a 100K real and verified account. Totally, Promax has gained 66.51% profit with this preset, which is $67,876.88. The trading section says we had 1.79% profit, which is $2,766.54 for the past week. Scrolling down, also the win rate is 77%. Totally, 14,392 pips has been traded with 1,382 lots. So everyone, it's our VPS of Promax Gold EA preset number 2. As the other one, we have account details and robot settings here in this section. Below that, it's trade section, which all the trade details are written. Let's scroll down. Totally, we had $3,485.79 for the past week. As you know, the reason of the difference between numbers here versus Myfxbook is that Myfxbook takes its time to be updated. If you want to take advantages of Promax Gold EA, you can download it now on our website via the link in the description, and also you can ask us your question in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the week.